on how Sony is all set to announce its deal with Zee Entertainment to buy 10 Sports. What are the details? What is the valuation looking like, and when will this be completed?
Well, clearly, as you rightly said, that deal has been the pipeline, and people have been talking about this. But we got a confirmation that the deal is sealed, signed, and an official announcement of Sony buying 10 Sports, which belong to Zee Entertainment, could be officially announced this week. The deal value what we're hearing is nearly 2,000 crores. Now, why this is important for Zee Entertainment? Remember, Zee Entertainment bought 10 Sports way back in 2006. I think 50% was bought then, and 45% was bought in 2010. The enterprise value of 10 Sports 10 years back was nearly 750 crores. And now, if they are selling it for 2,000 crores, clearly that money will come to Zee Entertainment, which is big. Also, more importantly, 10 Sports has been loss-making for the company for a long time. An EBIT loss of nearly 80 to 100 crores per annum. Last year, they reported an EBIT loss of 35 crores. So, a loss-making unit will be moving out of Zee Entertainment, which is clearly a good thing. Edelweiss came on the channel and they clearly mentioned that it will be EPS positive for the company if they're able to sell out the sports loss-making sports business, and could add nearly 100 crores EBITDA to Zee Entertainment. So that will also be positive. Why Sony wants to go ahead and buy 10 Sports? Clearly because they are fighting with Star India. IPL is beginning in 2017. The reports are suggesting that after inclusion of 10 sports channel, which belongs to 10, the entire bouquet of Sony could be nearly 9 channels, which will compete with Star India, which are having nearly 8 channels. So again, it's a win-win for both the companies. We had a word with the Zee Entertainment, and one of the comments what we got from them is clearly, from time to time, we keep exploring strategic opportunities for entering new businesses or in our existing businesses. However, as a matter of policy, we do not comment on media speculation. So wait till the time an official announcement comes in. But the stock was clearly the biggest Nifty gainer today. Also, surprisingly, it was Reliance Capital who also surged 4 to 5% after we broke the story. Maybe people are thinking that the amount which Zee will get out of this business may be used into buy radio business of Reliance Capital, which we don't know at all. But keep that stock also near radar. That has been moving fast since last many days.
All right, Varinder, we'll leave it at that. That stock, of course, surged in trade at the back of Varinder's exclusive